It's your favorite realtor, TJ Francisco, and I have a new construction home here in Madison Heights. Let's go check it out.
Welcome to 27828 Groveland, right here in Madison Heights. This stunning new construction home was designed with modern living in mind, featuring 1,600 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and an open, airy layout that feels bright and spacious the moment you walk in. As you enter through the foyer, you'll find the first floor powder room and a large den, perfect for a home office or flexible living space. The kitchen is a showstopper with a 9-foot island you can dine at, an oversized pantry, and a layout that flows beautifully into the expansive family room. 2 extra large windows fill the space with tons of natural light, making it warm and inviting. Upstairs, the primary suite is your private retreat, featuring a spacious ensuite bathroom and a generous walk-in closet. Down the hall, you'll find the laundry room conveniently located across from the full bath, both designed with their own linen closets for extra storage. The 2 additional bedrooms are bright and comfortable, each with large windows and plenty of closet space, ideal for family, guests, or even a home office setup. If you've been looking for a brand new home in an amazing location, 27828 Groveland has everything you need. Modern design, quality construction, and thoughtful details throughout. And the best part? This home is anticipated to be completed by the first of the year, so there's still time to add your personal touches and make it your own.